How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier auto guy here at Kia Bradley in Bradley, Illinois. And we just got this in. It is a Kia Carnival 2023. The color is called Flare Red. This is the LX with seat package. It is still in transportation or shipping mode there, so I can't open up the back doors. They're powered and everything's still all wrapped up. But just wanted to give you a quick idea that it's here. These do not last long. They're absolutely fantastic. It is an 8-passenger with the option that you can take that center seat out. It just pops right out, and then it will give you captain's chairs and goes back to a 7-passenger. Plus the seat there moves up quite a bit forward. So if you want to have a child seat in there, you could have them up very close to you, so you don't have to reach back very far in case they lose their pacifier, bottle, game, toys, things like that. But give me a call. It won't last long. Phone number's right there on the screen. We'll take good care of you, and don't forget, complimentary oil changes for as long as you own the vehicle when you buy a vehicle from me here at Kia Bradley, and we'll get you all squared away. Thank you so much.